here. Clearly this is going to be a different type of video. As you can see, I'm at home, I'm in my bedroom because everybody knows what's going on in the world right now, and if you don't, I honestly don't know what to tell you. But yeah, we're staying home today, so today you've got a day in my life video, stay at home edition. Because like I said, I'm gonna be staying home, but in order to not get entirely bored out of my mind and to have some entertainment for you guys as well, I'm recording it and bringing it along with you guys, and I'm going to try and make this day as fun and productive as I can, and just keeping things as close to my regular schedule as I can, because I honestly think this time is the perfect time to just sit back and focus on yourself and just do all those types of things that you told yourself that you wish you could have done back when you didn't have time. So that's exactly what I've been focusing on, and just having some fun, but I also just give you guys some ideas of like fun things to do while at home. But yeah, I've been up for probably about an hour now. I think it's like 10 o'clock in the morning. I woke up at like 9. Yes, I woke up at 9 this morning. So I've been awake for about an hour. Have not eaten yet because I was like, okay, I got to record it as a part of my day of my life. So I'm really hungry. So yeah, real quick, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not already for new content, and give this video a big fat thumbs up if you enjoy. But yeah, so let's go make breakfast. I'm really hungry. Now I'm a happy girl. I've got my morning smoothie. I pretty much make smoothies almost every morning, but yeah, since I am planning on working out later today, I did try and pack like a lot of things in the smoothie. It is a Wednesday. Wednesdays is a workout day for me, but yeah, the plan is going to be to work out later. But as of right now, while I just kind of have my smoothie and then sip on my coffee, coffee lovers, raise your hand high, nice and high so I can see them. Ooh, I just kind of accidentally hit my fan. But yeah, so I'm gonna be working on homework. I am in college and all of my classes right now are online, so thank God that makes it so much easier and gives me so much more free time. I mean, I already was taking a couple classes online to begin with, and then I had a couple that I would go actually on campus for, but now that all of them are online, it gives me so much more free time, and thank gosh I don't have a single class where I have to have those lectures to where the professor could see you too, because a lot of my friends have those, and I feel like that's just so awkward where the professor, it's like that call, it kind of looks like the multiple like FaceTime type of call. I don't know the platform they actually use it or they used for it because I don't have any classes on it, but yeah, those just seems kind of awkward to me. So thankfully all my professors are just posting their video lectures like online and I just can watch it. But yeah, those seem really awkward, but I have seen lots of funny videos of people making jokes about those. So yeah, there's that. But I need to work on that, so hopefully that won't take too long. Overall, that's just kind of what I've been doing right now. I do really try to stick as much as I can to my regular schedule and actually kind of like get ready in the morning, just so that way it helps me feel like put together and helps me get a lot more things done, and it honestly just helps me be productive. So if you want some tips on how to stay productive, get ready in the morning like you normally would and just try and stick as close to your regular schedule as you can, and I promise it helps you feel so much more motivated. Enough of me talking, I gotta do some homework. for about an hour now. I have one more assignment to do, but I just wanted to kind of take this little break to tell you guys that usually like about this time, since I am going to be working out later, I do like to have a snack. Like, okay, right now it's 12:26, so pretty much 12:30. So before my workouts, I like to have like a protein bar. This is what I'll consider like as my snack, probably about an hour before I'll work out, because I don't like to have a big meal before I work out. So I just thought I would kind of share this one with you guys. I thought it might be interesting in case y'all are interested in this type of thing. But this is going to be a chocolate brownie flavored one. I love chocolate flavored things. But this one has 21 grams of protein, only 4 grams of net carbs, and only 1 gram of sugar. So it's actually a really great protein bar. It's not one of those like sugar filled ones. These actually, I believe I got from Costco. It's that like Kirkland brand, which I'm pretty sure is where or what Costco sells. I'm just going to like snack on this while I continue doing my next assignment that I have before I work out. So it is workout time for me. I'm in my like workout clothes here, as you can see. Yeah, today is going to be legs and glutes, or legs/glutes and abs today. That is what I work on Wednesdays. I do sometimes switch it up, but most of the time that's my schedule. It just honestly depends on like if those muscle groups are still sore. Obviously I will not still work them, but yeah. So I am only going to be showing y'all like little sneak peeks. I almost just fell backwards because I'm like squatting right now. But yeah, these are only gonna be like sneak peeks of like little workouts. If y'all want like a full workout video or different routines that I do, y'all better comment it down below, because y'all are only getting sneak peeks here. So let's go ahead and get started with this workout. This is honestly like my favorite part of the day, when I get to work out. At least my favorite part of the day when I'm stuck staying at home. So this is in my garage, working out at home. Let's get to it. Alright, so I finished my workout, and one of the things that I like to try and have after my workouts, and this is something that I like recently started having, and I always knew that I liked it, but I recently just started buying it a lot, and it is gonna be coconut water right here. I got this one. It's the brand Vita Coco. It's coconut water, the original, and it contains a whole bunch of nutrients and electrolytes. Some of the things that Gatorade actually always advertises, that they'll replenish your electrolytes and give you energy, and it's just a good recovery thing after your workout. But the thing with Gatorade is it's got a lot of other added sugars and other just bad things. This is natural. If you look at the ingredients, let's take a look here if I can find them somewhere. Coconut water, less than 1% sugar, and vitamin C. Those are the only ingredients in here. And these just, to me, I'm obsessed with anything coconut and coconut flavor, so I love these. And it's super great to help your muscles kind of recover after a really hard workout as well. So that is something I like to do. Just thought I would kind of share that with y'all. I know this is like very detailed to be talking about this kind of stuff, but I think it's interesting. And you know, I'm staying home, and these are the things I'm doing while I'm at home. So yeah, here's a little like close-up of what that looks like. It's the Vita Coco one. I actually got a 12-pack of these for I think like $13, which is not bad, because usually they're like $2 each. But enough said about that. I am sweaty and like I had my lunch and everything. I need to shower, so we're gonna do that, and then the plan after that is do even more homework because I've still got more to do. This is much better. I am all like showered and clean. Yes, my hair is like soaking wet right now, but it's okay. Yeah, my hair is just like kind of drying. My hair literally takes forever to dry. I have so much hair and my hair is like so long too, so that's probably the main reason why it always takes so long to dry. But yeah, let me know if anybody else like you have that same issue, because a lot of times I'll shower before I go to bed, go to sleep, I literally overnight wake up in the morning and my hair is still kind of damp, and I don't know. That's just how I do it. I love to naturally let my hair air dry. I don't like to blow dry or anything, but yeah. So I'm all clean and I feel great, but sadly I still have more homework to do because I have a project or online project assignment due at 11:59, and I was really sad. That clip earlier that I showed while I was eating lunch, I was really sad to find out like that I actually have one of those online like live lectures where you join and the professor is live teaching. That was just a major disaster to say the least. Yeah, trying to have like over 200 people in the same call, like that's how big that class was. So imagine that class, like 200 people physically in a room, but trying to have 200 people on a call, oh my gosh, it was bad, but we're gonna get through it. I know we will. It's gonna be like that for the rest of the semester. So yeah, time for me to go work on some more homework. A lot of fun, right? But it's just, we gotta get it done, and the sooner I get it done, the more free time I have. Who messaged me? I'm trying to do homework. Just kidding. Oh. What you making for dinner, Mom?
Tuscan chicken, which includes chicken, spinach, beans, and some spinach.
Oh. I always like this one. That's what you made for my birthday. It's good.
Thank you.
That is it for this video. I'm going to end it here. I did finish all my homework, and then now my family's pretty much going to watch a movie together. Today was pretty productive and fun. Make sure you do subscribe to my channel if you have not already for a lot more fashion and lifestyle videos that will be coming out. Also, make sure you're following me on Instagram at Allanna_Cuellar if you want to participate in a lot of polls that I do on my stories having to do with what content you want to see on my channel, and of course some fashion content. But like I said, give this video a big fat thumbs up. That is it. I love you guys so much. I will see you next time. Bye bye.